Today, I'm going to recommend you the best anime list in this video. If you enjoy this video, please do like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new, then remember to turn on notification for more upcoming top 10 videos. So, without further ado, let's get back to the video. Number 10. Code Breaker. Riding the bus one day, Sakuragi Sakura looks out the window to see people being burned alive with a blue fire and a boy her age who's unharmed and standing over the people. She comes back to the site the next day and there are no corpses or evidence of any kind of murder, just a small fire. She then goes to class to find there's a new transfer student, Ugami-re, who looks exactly like the boy she saw before and wears a black glove only on his left hand. Ugami is a code breaker, one who does not exist. He is a seemingly cold-blooded killer who follows the principle of an eye for an eye to use evil against evil. Convinced that killing is not right, Sakuragi sets out to stop him and penetrate his icy heart. Number 9. Demon King Demao. Dreaming of changing the world for good, Akuto Sai transfers to Constant Magic Academy where he befriends a virtuous ninja clan member, Junko Hattori. On the way to the academy, they vow to make the world a better place together. However, the situation suddenly takes a turn for the worse upon his arrival. It is prophesied that he will become the Demon King. As word of his destiny spreads, the school begins to fear him, and Junko's trust in him falters. While Akuto is determined to not let his predicted future control his fate, it seems as though everything he says and does only serve to reinforce the fact that he is destined to be the Demon King. Moreover, he is surrounded by a harem of beautiful girls who each have their own plans for him, ranging from bringing him to justice to simply showering him with love. With his newly awakened powers, Akuto must cope with his constantly growing list of misfortune and fight to prove that his fate is not set in stone. Number 8. Scrapped Princess. Pacifica Casull is the most feared and hated person by the followers of the god Mauser. Known as the Scrapped Princess, she is the poison that will destroy the world. To avoid being killed by the zealots of Mauser, Pacifica and her adoptive brother and sister leave the village of Manhattan. Her brother, Shannon, is an expert with the sword while Raquel is proficient with magic. At every step of the way, however, someone is constantly trying to kill Pacifica, hoping to somehow avert the catastrophe that is supposed to befall the world on her 16th birthday.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky.
Number 7. Chivalry of a Failed Knight. There exist few humans in this world with the ability to manipulate their souls to form powerful weapons. Dubbed Blazers, these people study and train at the prestigious Hagen Academy to become mage knights. Among the students, Number 5. The Saga of Tanya the Evil. Tanya Degyo-Chaff is a young soldier infamous for predatorial-like ruthlessness and an uncanny tactical aptitude, earning her the nickname of the Devil of the Rhine. Underneath her innocuous appearance, however, lies the soul of a man who challenged being X, the self-proclaimed god, to a battle of wits, which resulted in him being reincarnated as a little girl into a world of magical warfare. Hellbent on defiance, Tanya resolves to ascend the ranks of her country's military as it slowly plunges into world war, with only being X proving to be the strongest obstacle in recreating the peaceful life she once knew. But her perceptive actions and combat initiative have an unintended side effect, propelling the mighty empire into becoming one of the most powerful nations in mankind's history. Number 4. Another. In 1972, a popular student in Yomayama North Middle School's class 323 named Masaki passed away during the school year. Since then, the town of Yomayama has been shrouded by a fearful atmosphere, from the dark secrets hidden deep within. 26 years later, 15-year-old Koichi Sekibara transfers into class 323 of Yomayama North and soon after discovers that a strange, gloomy mood seems to hang over all the students. He also finds himself drawn to the mysterious, eye-patch-wearing student Mei Masaki. However, the rest of the class and the teachers seem to treat her like she doesn't exist. Paying no heed to warnings from everyone including Mei herself, Koichi begins to get closer not only to her, but also to the truth behind the gruesome phenomenon plaguing Class 323 of Yomayama North.
Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time.
Number 3. Blue Exorcist. Humans and demons are two sides of the same coin, as are Asya and Gena, their respective worlds. The only way to travel between the realms is by the means of possession, like in ghost stories. However, Satan, the ruler of Gena, cannot find a suitable host to possess and therefore remains imprisoned in his world. In a desperate attempt to conquer Asya, he sends his son instead, intending for him to eventually grow into a vessel capable of possession by the Demon King. Aono Exorcist follows Rin Okumura, who appears to be an ordinary, somewhat troublesome teenager, that is until one day he is ambushed by demons. His world turns upside down when he discovers that he is in fact the very son of Satan and that his demon father wishes for him to return so they can conquer Asya together.
So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never.
Number 2. Black Clover. Aster and Yuno were abandoned together at the same church and have been inseparable since. As children, they promised that they would compete against each other to see who would become the next Emperor Magus. However, latrine as they grew up, some differences between them became plain. Yuno was a genius with magic, with amazing power and control, while Aster could not use magic at all, and tried to make up for his lack by training physically. When they received their grimoires at age 15, Yuno got a spectacular book with a 4-leaf clover. Most people receive a 3-leaf clover, while Aster received nothing at all. However, when Yuno was threatened, the truth about Aster's power was revealed. He received a 5-leaf clover grimoire, a black clover. Now the two friends are heading out in the world, both seeking the same goal.
I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies, I offer no true.
Number 1. The Rising of the Shield Hero. Stories of old tell of 4 otherworldly heroes, wielding the sword, spear, bow, and shield, who defended the land from wave after wave of calamity. With the fate of the world in balance, the kingdom of Melromark summons these legendary figures. In modern-day Japan, the call is answered, and the unwitting heroes are transported to this fantasy universe. Thrust into Melromark and given the title of Shield Hero, Otaku Nofumi Awatani is labeled the weakest due to his lack of offensive capability and apparent inexperience. When the heroes part ways to start their journeys, he only has one willing companion, the beautiful Princess Mine Melromark. However, she soon betrays him, steals all his money, and accuses him of taking advantage of her. For his alleged crimes, Nofumi is branded a criminal and made outcast of society. With hatred filling his heart, he sets out alone, vowing vengeance against those who wronged him.
So let me break it all down for you.